Yeah, this is the point where I get lots of hate tweets, because anything to do with Brexit, you're just going to be slaughtered on social media.
You and me both.
Yes, exactly. There you go. So, look, lies, damned lies and statistics. I'm not going to even try and find the truth. What I will tell you is the Brexiters are saying it's rubbish. There's a conspiracy in the Treasury. There's fake figures. The Remainers are saying, oh, the parts of the UK which will be hit the hardest were the ones who wanted to leave, for instance, the North East. Serves you right, and there'll be you evil racists and all of this. The truth probably lies somewhere in between. The one thing we're forgetting with whatever the economic analysis is coming out with is, well, we have it now and we can do something to change it. If we know and believe the North East may be the hardest hit, well, we can focus on more investment there. I've just come back from India and Singapore and Hong Kong, looking at inward investment for the Department of International Trade, inward investment into the UK, and those are the regions we're focusing on, not on London, which will be the least hit. We're focused on other parts of the UK because we already know those are the hardest hit, regardless of Brexit in economic terms. So there's something we can do about it, whether or not you're a Remainer or Brexit and you hate these statistics or you think they're fake, or whether you think it serves everybody right, there's something we can do about it. So I'm less worried about the truth in the figures. And like I say, it's the old Mark Twain comment about damned lies and statistics.
It certainly is. Just a couple of lines from that before we move on. A 21% overall rise in retail prices, this was in these figures, and a 17% rise in food and drink costs. This was some of the information there.
It's funny how economists can see apocalypse now, but they can't see a stock market crash and all the rest of it. But anyway.
Yeah, absolutely. The problems of trying to forecast. Let's move